Here you are given 5 people A, B, C, D and E, and they are seated about a round table. So again there's a question on round table. You can see that most of the question of sitting arrangement they are asking from the circular arrangement. So they are sitting around a round table. Every chair is spaced equidistant from each other. So हर chair equidistant है, 5 people है. C is seated next to A is seated 2 seats from D, B is not seated next to A. Okay, so all of this is given. So on the basis of this information some statements are given. बताना है कौन सा true है कौन सा नहीं है. Let's see. 5 people, let's make 5 places for them to sit. अब in all such questions we are supposed to consider multiple possibilities. बस एक क्वेश्चन से नहीं होगा, we are supposed to consider multiple possibilities as well. Let's say C is seated next to A. If A is here, C can be this side. If A is here, C can be this side also. दोनों possible है because it is a round table and they are seated about a round table. I'm just assuming that all of them are facing towards the center itself. A is seated 2 seats from D. That means either D is here or here. 2 seats from A. In this case D is here or here. This is what I know. B is not seated next to A. That means B is not sitting here. If B is not sitting next to A, ये तो occupied है, यहाँ B नहीं बैठा है, तो B यहाँ कहीं बैठा है इन दोनों जगह, तो this place goes to E. For this case also B will be sitting in these 2 places only, so this place goes to E. Basically what you have is you can have D here, B here, or it can be opposite also, B here, D here. This can satisfy all the criteria यहाँ पर. D is seated next to B. Yes, D is seated next to B. दोनों cases में D is seated next to B. E is seated next to A. Yes, E is seated next to A. C and D are separated by 2 seats. C and D can be neighbors also. C and D can be separated also. So this is incorrect. You have only 1 and 2 as the correct answer. Relatively easier question. Let's see the next.